everybody. Welcome to 25 InfoComm. Welcome from China, from Hong Kong, the Fuxing International Display, the factory. We have our factory in China, and we have 20 years, over 20 years. We are very professional factory. We have product display and also smart board. This is our new product. This is very thin. You can see it's only 11 inches. And also this with the more like the photo, the camera. Also, this is our whiteboard. Our whiteboard have many models. It's from inches. It's from 50 inches to 98 inches. Also to 100 inches, 150. And we have the AI. When you speak English, you can translation to Chinese. This is our new product. So we are a factory. We come to OEM and ODM, also SKD, CKD, and according customer can customize for design and also for the solution. Where the force is very newest. Welcome ODM, OEM. Welcome. Thank you.